I'm delighted to be speaking with Dr. Laura Erickson-Schroth, Jed's Chief Medical Officer, to learn more about the issues they're tackling and what we can all do to make a difference. Partnerships with schools and colleges is a central part of Jed's work. Can you explain the importance of providing support to school-aged children and young adults?
We feel that schools are the best place to make systemic changes that can really affect young people. And we see really good rates of change in their mental health and suicide prevention programs. We see that students are rating their schools as places where it's easier to have open conversations about mental health.
Last year, Jed released a fascinating piece about the way that language we use to describe mental health is key to tackling the stigma that exists around it. What are the changes we can all make to our languages?
The way we talk about mental health can really change the way we think about it. It can help us to humanize people with mental illness. It can help to destigmatize struggling and reaching out for help.
So, we think of mental health as an issue that we need to deal with at an individual level. What are the ways that we as a society can improve things for our youth as a collective community?
One is making sure that we're open about and discussing emotions as young people are growing up. And then I would say helping them to create community. This is the most important because humans really are social creatures. And research shows us that social isolation, loneliness, these are risk factors for poor mental health. And then finally, I would say, making sure care is accessible when it's needed. So if they get the support that they need, the community connection that they need, if they learn the emotional skills that they need to deal with difficult things as they come up, they can really come out as completely different people. Young people are the people who are going to grow up and lead our society in the future. And we want them to be equipped to help us create a better world.
Thank you, Dr. Laura, for the eye opening and inspiring, candid conversation. It's clear that we're facing a youth mental health crisis in the US, but with the work that JED and other mental health organizations, we can be hopeful for the future.